For pinning our standard in setback applications, you simply put the pin in the hole, and then the bottom block, it's going to go in the slot below it. For vertical applications, you're going to be using the back pinholes. You're going to have to be on half bond, and you're going to have to go pinhole to pinhole. So a good tip to pinning VERSA-LOK Standard units is that Alex is going to offset the block and slide it into place. What that's going to do is it's going to knock off any concrete imperfections that the block might have. Then he's going to take and simply throw a pin into the pinhole. It's going to seat into the slot below it, and he's going to take and tap it in to make sure that there's nice positive connection into the block below. Alex is going to now simply push the block forward. What this does is it gives you a consistent setback, because if you don't do it, Mother Nature will. From here, we can set the next block, and we automatically know on a straight wall that our pins are going to go into the two outside pinholes. Our VERSA-LOK Standard unit requires 2 pins per block. It's a top to bottom pinning system, which helps you during installation because you can set the next block on top of it before pinning. The hole to slot configuration ensures uniform alignment and 3/4 of an inch setback, which can easily handle curves and corners and allows for variable bond.